All right, Saturday, denims. So we just got these in, Italian denims. Now we just had a jean fitting class, and I brought all these denims in for this jean fitting class. They're all Italian, they're all cottons, and they're beautiful. They're just really unique, and they're really good quality. So we've got everything. We're going to start with this black. It's cotton. It's got a teeny bit of lycra, but it's mostly cotton. I like 99 plus. It's striated. Isn't that cool? It's so unique and so unusual. Now, we don't have much left of any of it, but we got a little bit of everything. And they're going to be all $24.99, and they'll go up to $29.99. So they're just a really good price. Remember, they're Italian denims, cotton. They're all cotton. So there's a black, there's a beautiful navy. And these are true denims. You notice they're one thread black, one thread white, one thread blue, one thread white, and stretch in one direction. Again, a cotton. Here's an olive green. This is a twill weave. This is green on green. Olive green, this beautiful. You know, olive green is this new base right now. It's beautiful. Again, stretch in one direction, all cotton. Here's a red, but the red has, you know, one white thread. Beautiful selvages. Stretch. This is 100% cotton. Doesn't have a lot of stretch to it. This is really a mechanical denim. And then we have this mint, this mint color. Again, it's a twill weave, one white thread, and then the mint color. This is got a little bit of stretch to it, but really not like the first one. These are more just regular denims, but they are 100% cotton. Look at that. This is a sky blue. Again, beautiful white. They're just gorgeous, you guys. They handle so nicely. You could always do the Coca-Cola washing, but they're gorgeous. And again, for today and tomorrow, they'll be $24.99. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.